Hi there guys, and welcome back to a new episode. In this one I'm giving my personal predictions on Tsnp for tomorrow and of course reacting to what we have seen today. So this one's more of a short look at this one going into tomorrow and what I can personally see happening, guys. So of course it's not financial advice, I'm sure you're already aware of that one, but if you will enjoy this video, please use it for entertainment purposes and nothing else. But with that being said, it would be massively appreciated if you could leave a like on the video and subscribe to help grow the channel. So let's jump straight in and I will not waste a second more. So yes guys, Tsnp over the past day, well we are looking at quite a lot of volatility. We can see it has been up and down all over the place, but generally speaking we are finishing the day positive with a 0.71% increase in share price. Now of course it's not the biggest that we have been seeing, but I think it is a very good thing overall. If we do have a quick look on the 5-day chart, we can see that this one is really starting to pick itself up from those highs that we saw on the 9th of February, which is a great thing to see because now this one is honestly starting to come back up into the green. I mean, yes, we are far from breaking past those highs, but I don't think that's a bad thing at all. I talked about this one last night and I'm going to be talking about it again. I think at the current price of $1.43, this stock is an absolute steal in my eyes. Obviously that merger with Humble Pay is really going to be helping this one once that name does change, and at the minute guys I think this one is an absolute bargain for the share price. It is a penny stock by name, but I think by business model this one does have a lot of potential going forwards, and we did talk about that one in last night's episode where we had a bit more of an in-depth look at this one. But going forwards into tomorrow guys, I would not be surprised if this one did continue to pull back and go into the green. I don't think it will break past those highs tomorrow, but I don't think that is necessarily a bad thing either, because obviously with this one we are looking at some very decent potential. Now into the next week guys, I can see a lot more potential coming into the stock. I think in the next 5 days we definitely will make it past these highs. I think this one is really going to continue to rally up, so I'm not too concerned about the fact that it has sold off, because looking at this one realistically, we can see that from only the 11th of January up until now, we're looking at insane gains of 741%. So a lot of people are probably just taking profits now. It just makes sense, and I can really understand why that people might have taken profits at $1.71. It makes a lot of sense in my personal eyes. I think now looking at the 1 month charts, it does make sense that this sell-off is coming to an end, as people are probably done taking profits and a lot more people are now buying the dip and seeing this one as the bargain that it personally is in my opinion. So I really can see this one continuing to go back up into next week. I think tomorrow will bring a little bit of an increase, maybe not too significant, but if it does bring an increase it will give some very great signs going forwards into the future. I think this stock does have some real potential. I think at the current price of $1.43, would I buy it? Absolutely I would. I really do think this company could really move up quite a significant amount in the future. People are saying that this one does have potential to hit past $2, $3, $4, $5, and I would not be surprised if that was the case. Obviously guys, that is a more high estimate, but I definitely think that this one could pass $2 in the next 2 or 3 weeks, if not higher than that. I think this one really does have a lot of room to grow, and I think at $1.43, if you are willing to buy and hold this one, in my personal view, I think it is a very good buy. I think it's definitely a perfect opportunity to buy this one right now, as it does look like it is starting to go back up. So would I buy it as of right now guys? I definitely would. I see it as a very decent deal in my personal opinion. I think this company is destined for great growth in the future, and that's just what I personally think. So yes, it is up by 700+% in the past month. I don't think that's a bad thing. Usually I say it's an awful thing guys, but in this case we do have a real catalyst which is going to be boosting the share price. I think for that reason it is understandable that this one is up by a significant amount, and I am not too worried by that. I think this one could see some real growth going forwards. So would I buy this one at $1.42? Absolutely I would. I think it's the best time to buy it as of current, because yes, we have seen a big dip. I think it is going to be going up into the next few days, which would be fantastic to see. But guys, tell me what you personally think on this one down in the comment section. I'd love to hear if you're buying this one, or if you're waiting out for even more of a dip, if you think that's coming, or if you think that this one is going to skyrocket. Please do tell me that one down in the comments as well. But I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.